What if you tell me that you only have 1 minute in the morning before you leave, either for work or to do whatever you need to do for your projects or even to walk the dog? I'll tell you, no problem. There is a solution that can fit in exactly this time frame. Gua Sha and face oil. I always start with oil so the skin stays protected and relaxed. Oil helps the tool glide and support the skin barrier. Gua Sha helps release jaw tension that pulls the face downward. This movement supports natural lifting by encouraging circulation. We're waking up the muscles gently, no force. This also helps to reduce puffiness and bring fresh blood flow to the area. It also supports lymphatic drainage, which helps the face look lighter. Your hands reinforce the lift and help the skin remember the movements. Consistency trains the face. 1 minute is enough. Gentle work brings real change. So that was very simple, and in a minute you drained excessive fluids and you did slightly face lifting. See how easy it was? In a minute you accomplished little lifting routine. You used oil for your face, which is great for skin, and it only took a minute. Save this video, do it daily, and in 5 to 7 days, you're gonna see a difference. Let me know in the comments.